Uh-oh. They're after the Prophet. Get the heck to the left, you guys. Jeez. Jimmy The Jettrail Prophet here, trying to avoid some inconveniences at sunset. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, there they go. Okay. Yeah, go over there with your friends. That's right. And there's a whole lot of them. When you're a Canadian goose, you're allowed to go anywhere, and I mean go anywhere. All right, there it is, folks. There is, whoop, camera's jumping due to electric magnetic frequencies in my hands, and I think the screen is wearing out. Yeah. All right, there it is. I videotaped the longer one earlier, but I don't think everyone will watch it. So here goes. This is the ending. The sun is not really down yet, but you can't see it because the cloud wall is right under there. But that's where it is. Okay. That is the sunset for tonight. And maybe I'll put the longer one in there with this one. Wavy frequencies, magnetism, and all that kind of stuff in the big mix. Professor DK and Associates, don't mess with Mother Nature. Skywatchers and Earthlings, it's Jimmy The Jettrail Prophet out. Have a nice night, Sunday night. December, Sunday, the 22nd. Alright, I gotta go, folks. Miss Lovey's in the car waiting for me. The Prophet has been out here long enough. Have a nice weekend, folks. I appreciate it. Prophet out! Ha! Oh crap, it's another invasion, folks. I thought I was gonna get out of here safely, but Prophet seems to be in a little bit of trouble. Jimmy The Jettrail Prophet here. Oh, dang. Back to the car, Jim. Back to the car. Oh, I gotta get out of here, folks. Oh, no. You gotta do the laundry tomorrow, folks. Oh, man. Jimmy The Jettrail Prophet. Why does this always happen to me? Oh, no way. They're coming back again. Just wipe my jacket off. What the? God, give me a break. Let me get over this way. I knew I should have bring that box of Kleenexes with me. Yeah, go over there. Oh, man. Folks, the jet trails have them confused. The frequency clouds have them confused. As you can see, oh, come on. I'm trying to prophesize here. Oh, no. I mean, get that. Let me get behind this fence here. Back out here. All right, they're going the other way now. It should be all right. The Canadian geese, they just go anywhere. Back to the topic here. Jimmy The Jettrail Prophet here. I think those wave frequency clouds had them. Yeah, because they came out of that way. I think they threw them off. Remember, folks, these are the frequency clouds. There's all kinds of magnetism in there, and we got geoengineering in the mix. Compliments of Professor DK and Associates. What else is this here? The heck is this here? Here they come again. Back off. Back off, Sidewinders. Oh, man. I need to get back to prophesying. There we go. There we go, folks. There it is. You can see this jet trail dispersed down into here. I'm listening for them to come up on me again. So the frequency clouds go all the way down here, you see. And I gotta get out of here, folks. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Prophet's got to get out. All right. There it is, folks. There's a shot. Do what you want with it. Edit it. I gotta get back to the car. I gotta get back to the car. All right, later, folks. Jimmy The Jettrail Prophet out. All right, I made it back to the car, folks. I made it back to the car. Don't say anything, Lovey. What happened, Dave? I told you not to go out there. Jim, you were right, man. One more shot, Dave. Get out there and get the shot. Jim, are you serious? You see what I just went through while you were sitting in the car? The shot, Dave, the shot. All right, Jim. All right, Jim. All right, it is officially sunset time right now. So we are not able to actually see the sunset, but it is 4:44 in Pennsylvania. So this is it. Somebody just got in my car. Jim, did you just... All right. Check this out. This is the remaining of the frequency clouds. And it is officially sunset in Pennsylvania. All right, that's about it. I usually don't make long videos like this, but it's just... things happen. And once again, there's a Skywatcher. There's a helicopter coming. Hold off, we're gonna catch the helicopter. I hear it now. Do you hear it? It'll take a minute to get over here, so I'm gonna wait. I'll make you wait for a helicopter. Hold on. There it is. I told you, I heard it in the back. Focus. Focus on this sidewinder here. Prophet's doing a little sky watching. Is there a problem? I didn't think so. I told you, I heard something coming up. Alright, yesterday it circled around a second time while I was watching this. See if it does it again. Alright, later, folks. Getting a little bit long. Have a nice Sunday night.